Match up all your seams by pinning them down.
Shutterstock Music. Shutter.
I have folded my fabric in half and then folded it in half again. And then I will take my pattern piece, lay the straight side on the fold, and then we'll cut out the front and the back at the same time.
Shutterstock Music.
When I cut my pattern piece out, I'm going to cut along the edge, all through here. And then I'm going to actually cut off the
Shutterstock
hem.
Music. Shutterstock 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 Music.
2 sleeves, front piece, back piece to the dress. And I'll let you see all of it. I want a V-cut shape here, so I'm going to fold it down. Most important part, cut it right my way.
Shutterstock Music.
To cut off roughly and then
Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music.
oh, you got these for the mesh.
Shutterstock Music.
Okay, I want to sew down a mesh piece. So I wanted the same shape as a triangle in the front of my dress. So I'm going to use the front of my dress as a guide, but I don't want it to open quite as wide as the dress, so I'm not going to open the dress all the way up. I'm going to lay my piece over. And then I'm going to make the two pieces get cut out together. And I'm carefully cutting so that I cut it as straight as possible. You need 2 sleeves, dress front, mesh for the middle, and then dress back.
Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music.
Okay, you're going to sew down your front mesh piece on one side. Okay, pin down the other side of your mesh front and then sew it. Okay, connect your front piece and your back piece. I have sewn the front mesh piece. I'm not sure if I showed you that already. And then when you connect your front and your back with the right sides together, connect it at the shoulder. You can see how I pinned it. Then on your sides, do not sew down the cutouts. Do your other side and then skip the cutouts, which are here and here, the little half oval. And then you're gonna sew it down by your hips. And get your sleeve and sew along the selvage. Okay, with your right sides together, put your sleeve inside, connect the matching seams and stitch all the way around, and then I'll show you the final look. Once you get through with connecting the sleeve, you're gonna hem your sleeve, and then you're gonna hem the bottom of your skirt, and then I'll show you the final look. Okay, and here is the front of the dress. Here is the back. Somebody tell your uncle quit photobombing. Sorry I couldn't get better pictures, but if you want to see more tutorials, subscribe. Have a good one.